Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and these are deep fried crab legs.
Okay, here we are out at Bandon. Got a little bit of a late start, so we're gonna start crabbing. We already got a few pots in the water. Pop's getting that last one, and I'm gonna use the Dura snare. Did great last time. Let's get the Dura snare out there. Okay, we're just gonna let everything soak. We'll get the Dura snare, we'll give it maybe 3 minutes. Then we'll just get the crab off of it, and then we'll start pulling pots in 15 minutes. Pro tip when crabbing, leave your wedding ring in the truck. All right, I'm impatient. We're gonna check the Dura snare. A little one. Little one. Slow start for the keepers, but we've only been here for like 15 minutes. That's heavier. That's a little heavier. Not a keeper though.
Nope.
It's male. Dura snare success still.
Little guy.
Little guy. Still too small. Come on now. It's what we want, just a lot bigger. There's a couple. One maybe. One maybe.
You have to put your pots and
Just lay it right there and we start catching them.
There you go. First one.
First keeper. We'll have to measure this one. I'm not thinking, but I'm gonna measure it anyway. Claw's in the way, but he is definitely not. This is a little heavier.
Oh yeah.
There's crab in there.
Oh yeah.
There's a keeper.
There's a keeper.
There's a keeper. That's a good one. It's a male. I could prove it to everybody too right there. That's definitely a keeper, but we got to measure him just cause. Measure inside the horns here. Just on that side of the horns. That's your crab. There's a keeper. It's gonna be close. We'll get it measured up.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he's over 6. Keeper on the Dura snare.
Oh yeah, baby.
There's another keeper. Is it a female?
Female. Big old fat shell. Yep.
Big old female. Show the camera. Beautiful crab. So, this is an invasive species. Green crab. They're not supposed to be here.
Nope.
Yep. It's heavy. Holy crap. Can we snare a fish?
There we go.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Keeper.
Yep. There we go. Another Dura snare catch. Great product. Yeah, he's well over. And that.
Oh, there we go.
There's definitely a keeper. We'll measure him for you. Oh yeah, he's well over 6. We're back again. We're gonna get the crab ready, but we're gonna do something different this time. We're gonna do fried crab legs. You know the routine, we gotta boil them. Get that filled up with water. I'll get back to you when it's all filled up. It's boiling. I'm gonna dump the crab in. As soon as the crab go in, brings back up to a boil, we're gonna go for 15 minutes. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna put the lid back on and we're gonna get them back to a boil, and then we'll start a timer. 15 minutes. One thing I didn't tell you is that water, before we put any of the crab boil in there, and we threw a little bit of that sage right over there into this pot, but before that, we put salt in there. These came from salt water. You want it to be in salt water, salty water. Make it the ocean. The ocean. Boiling. Okay, just hit 15 minutes. We're gonna get this shut off. We're gonna get them out. We're gonna get them cooled down. We're gonna rapid cool them underneath the hose. So we're gonna need a tray and tongs. All right, we're gonna grab a few of these off here. A little bit of that liquid drain. Oh, look how beautiful those are. Oh man, we got some gorgeous crab this time. We'll let these drain off here, and then we're going to bring them over with the rest of those and cool them down.
Good little water on them, huh?
Cool them down. Look how big them are.
Nice crab.
Nice and firm. What are we making? We're making some fried crab legs. Okay, you've seen me do this a bunch of times. Pop that back. If you want to clean them before you do this, you do that. Don't hurt my feelings none. You do it however you want to. We like doing it this way. Get a lot of good flavor out of it. Just get all them gills cleaned off. Pop them in the middle. Dump everything out. And you're good to go. Same thing, peel the apron. Pull the cap off. Pull the gills off. I see a lot of people do this before they cook them. It's up to you. You do whatever you want. Split them in half. Get everything cleaned off. If you see something you don't want on there, just pull it off. Now we're just going to clean up, show you inside here in just a minute. Okay, we're just going to rinse these out. Drop them in the bowl. So all we're going to need today, this part right here. That's what we're going to be pulling out. We're going to be going through here, and we're going to be popping all these off right here. Do it nice and easy, because you don't want to break up that meat in that bottom section. So just peel it out. We're going to split all these and just pull that big chunk of meat, and that's what we're going to flour. So just rotate it back and forth, peel out, and you'll get those tendons out of there. Take a pair of scissors, run right up center of it, fold it open, pull it out so that you can fry that whole chunk. Dad's putting together the dredging station.
Okay, so we're going to start out with a little bit of half and half. I would say, let's take a look, half cup.
4 eggs, half cup cream, or half and half.
Half and half. Little, just a sprinkle of sea salt.
And some pepper. Normally I just break up my cornflakes, but apparently there's a cornflake batter.
Yes, there is.
Did not know this. Do you season your cornflakes?
No, I do not. No seasoning.
Okay. Now we're gonna go in with flour.
And you can use as much of this as you want. I make it easy, so I use a little extra when I'm doing this. Just makes life easier. There we go. That look familiar?
Chef Dad smoked salt.
Okay, and then just heat this up.
So why do you have these 3?
Because you're gonna dip it in flour first, get the egg stick to it, and then your breadcrumbs. It gives that extra crispy layer, a little bit of sweetness to it. Really good. You'll enjoy.
We are going to get our crab legs going. So what we're gonna do,
Some gloves?
we're gonna put them, nope, too late. We're gonna put them in flour. You don't want to carry extra over. Shake them off. Drop them in. You don't want any of that extra egg. Let it drip off. Put it in the cornflakes. We're gonna be using a Fry Daddy. I've never used a Fry Daddy before.
Leave them in the cornflake until you got them center a pot full ready to go in.
Do you see? Can you hear him? Do you see what I got going right there? I got him sitting in the cornflakes, just waiting until I got enough. Okay. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Backseat drivers. So what you want to do is you want to get enough over here in the cornflakes, and then you'll cover them with cornflake. That way you can do them all at the same time. So make sure you get all that cornflake pressed in there. You can press them, you can pack them. You don't want to beat them up too much though, because crab is pretty tender. But let's drop these in there. And they're already cooked, so all we're looking for is a golden brown. Okay, now that they're all dropped, just go back and start again. They aren't going to take long. Make sure they all get covered in flour. The whole thing gets covered in flour. The whole thing gets covered in the egg wash. Get all these over here. Those are already pretty much done. So we're going to get these all over here. Get them all covered in cornflakes. Oh man, look at those. Those are gorgeous. I'm going to take these right down here, put them in this oven, right on top of the paper towel. Alright. Now that those ones are done, just need to keep moving. Get these dropped. So in the time that it took me to get 7, 8 more prepped, those were done. So we're just going to drop this right down onto here. Let's get this oven closed back up. We got 3 or 4 more batches to go. So I'm going to bring you back when we get this all finished up. Alright, now it's time to give these a try. These are deep fried crab legs. It took all day to get these crab. It was super straining. It wasn't. It wasn't. Cracking the shells was the hardest part. But give it a try. Oh yeah. That's so good.
Yes, they are. That's the ticket. Very good.
This video YouTube picked for you. This one I picked for you. Right over here, there's a subscription button. Push it. I need you to push that button. Push that button. Subscribe. Watch all my videos. I appreciate all of you.